when two people trust each other and love each other enough to do the deed.
Consent is mutual willing participation between the parties involved.
Because like it's giving them permission or just saying no.
Like I've had friends of mine who are guys who have said things along the lines of like, if a girl goes home with you, like that's automatic consent, which is no, it's not. They're consenting to go home with you. They're not consenting to do anything beyond that.
Consent is being when both parties are 100% like willing and happy to do what they're doing.
And knowing that, you know, sexuality comes with space and that you're able to protect that space and respect that space.
I guess a bond, you know, it's together, it's an agreement. Consent is agreement.